And one more variation on the handlebar theme here. Some handlebars have a threaded, a tapped end here. You see the threads? That thread is for a bolt that goes in like this. And what's that for? Actually, there's a few purposes. One is potentially to mount a handguard set like this here. The handguard just bolts in on the end of the handlebar. Other purpose of this bolt, actually this is a weighted bolt and it can help reduce vibration in the handlebar, which will reduce fatigue over long-term riding. What's a handguard? It's something that guards your hands. It's very clear, very simple. And there's generally two kinds of handguards. And what does it guard your hands from? Let's go back to that. Especially if you're riding in the brush or through the woods, you know, it's very possible you hit some branches going by or some bushes. So this will protect your hands as you're riding. There's two kinds of handguards. This is a half handguard, and it's basically an ABS plastic, you know, strong plastic with this particular one's got an aluminum mount that just bolts onto your handlebar. Offers some good protection, but not super rugged against hitting, say, a branch. This is more against some, you know, let's say some brush, some cattails and stuff like that as you're running by. This is a full handguard, and there's two major differences. First of all, it's got two mounting points, mounts to the end of the handlebar and here in the center with a bracket, so it's more secure. Second, this particular handguard has a metal reinforcement inside, so it's really strong. You could hit a branch full speed, it's not going to damage. So it really protects your hands and your grip and your throttle. And this is the kind that is mounted on this bike right back here.